Set up for today. So who would have thought that we would have rallied like that? I didn't expect that. I actually stayed far away from this, didn't even look at it till this morning. And lo and behold, we are moving to the upside. So I think this upward trend is intact. That was just really a pullback. What I want to do, though, is I do want to find the level, and I think that's the previous swing low here at 11,626 is our level that we should be paying attention to. There has been quite a bit of interaction at that, and I think that should be our line in the sand right now. So a break below that would trigger shorts for me, but I obviously want to see a retest of that. And at this stage, we are looking for longs. I mean, that is a fairly strong upward trend. We're still kind of in a downward trend, though. That's the scary part. So from the highs here at last week, we were down 9.8%, and we've rallied pretty much almost 4% at the moment. And futures markets are still climbing at the moment. I don't think I do have the DAX open. Let me just have a look at it quick. So, yep, the DAX is up another 1.4% right now, futures. So that's 12,292. I'll put that line in for us now, probably up there at resistance, 12,297, fairly close. Okay, that does validate a double bottom. I hope you can see that, down, up, down, and my double bottom is right there. Okay, so by the looks of things, we're going to get a gap above 12,168, and then we should get a rally to the upside. A couple of things here on the DAX, and this is pretty clear at the moment. There's our channel. Remember what I say, DAX loves channels, and then inside the channel we have a wedge break. Okay, I don't see the wedge break test coming all the way down here. May happen, but I don't see it. I think what I'm waiting for is a break of 12168, retest of that this morning, and then looking for longs. So if we look at that on the hour, I think let's just get rid of this noise. So that is definitely going to transpire into a double bottom as far as I'm concerned, and that's going to give me a move, and you can see a bit of resistance there, a bit of support, bit of support on the hour. So that's definitely an area which looks like it's going to tag. There's another area just below that, which is the gap, which is there. Okay, so those, and that would also, I suppose if we went up in a straight line, it would sorry guys, I just want to delete this trend line, because I think what we need to do here, because I see there's a lot more support there, that's our wedge actually. Okay, so it is a wedge, a double bottom within a wedge. We're already broken out. I'm looking for any pullback for longs. Now, if I can just come to a higher time frame quickly, I don't know if it's going to see it on the daily. No, we're not going to see it there. I don't think we'll see it on the 4 hour either. So basically what I'm looking for is the measured move. So right now, the logical measured move is going to be this one. Okay, that takes us to just above the previous high. Let's just say the previous high. Yeah, so that's my target areas for today. I think let's just get to 15 minutes and see what transpires here. Yeah, back to the hour. Okay, so I know we're pretty messy. I'm going to just zoom out for you so you can see all the mess in one chart. So what we have here is we've got a few levels. Okay, we've got a double bottom. So we've got a double bottom target of 12756. We then have a measured move target of 12930. So those are our long targets. It looks like we've broken the wedge in pre-market trading, well, in the futures market anyway. So what we're waiting for is a retest of something. Now, you're going to have to come down to the 15 for this. And sorry, I can't give you a live view of what we're looking for, but pretty much gap. We're looking for a gap up, and we're looking for a pullback onto a level, something like that, and an opportunity to buy. Okay, so it's probably a bad example because we're in the wrong direction. So here's a gap up, right? Pullback onto structure, and the structure in this scenario was pretty much these tails here. You can see it was used as resistance, came back, then used as support. See all those tails. So I'm looking for a move basically above those pin bars. There's my entry with my stop below there, and that's my entry long. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. That's the kind of structure we're looking for. So we're going to get a gap up. We're looking for a pullback onto structure. The structure we need to pay attention to is this trend line and this horizontal line here at 12,168. That may not happen, so we may get structure somewhere up here. I add another line here. So we may only get structure at this level of 12,289. Okay, it doesn't really matter. You want to be down on the 15. You want to be watching what happens at the open. You should expect a bit of a rally up and then a pullback. And then that first pullback must be onto structure. As soon as it comes onto a level of support and it starts creating higher lows, that's your opportunity to get in with a really tight stop, decent sized position, and you're looking for this double top target to start with. That's 12756. I would take half my position off there. Second half of the position would come off up here at 12930 if we get there. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my messy DAX chart review for you today. I hope that helps you. If you're still listening, really appreciate a thumbs up or drop us a comment. We are trying to grow the channel, and this helps me more than you, believe it or not. I hope it helps you, but it does help me stay focused and stick to the trend as well by committing to it. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.